secret air fryer coating. It's not so secret because I'm about to tell you all, but it was a secret. Messy, sticky, like totally addictively yum. That's what wings are all about. And we're doing an air fryer version today. Yes, these are my air fryer Vietnamese style wings. So one of the problems I think with air fryer chicken is that sometimes you don't get that really lovely deep golden color. Well, I have a little mix that I put onto my air fried chicken that gives it that really deep golden color. We'll get to that a bit later on. First of all, I need to do some marinating. So I have my chicken wings. I'm doing drums and flats because they're my favorites. So chicken into a large bowl, and then I'm going to use my Vietnamese lemongrass and garlic marinade because I made this stuff and I really like it. I do have a recipe for you guys on my website though, for those of you who can't get a hold of it, so you can make up this sauce at home. But if you can get a hold of it, it makes it much easier. Okay, now just a little drizzle here, give that a mix. And you could use this technique that I have coming up with the coating, my special coating mix, with any other kind of, wing marinade that you have at home too. So it's really versatile. Now I'm going to give these wings like 15 minutes in the fridge just to chill out in there, soak up all of that flavor. Okay, so now for this like secret air fryer coating. It's not so secret because I'm about to tell you all, but it was a secret. Corn flour, also known as cornstarch to my friends in America. And now the special ingredient is baking powder. So baking powder will encourage the browning to happen quicker and more evenly all over that chicken. So that's the secret. And then just to encourage even more of that deep browning color, I've also got a little dash of sugar here too. Now some salt for the flavor. And we wait for the chicken. So here we are with our chicken. I'm gonna grab my air fryer basket. I've got a little bit of oil spray in there, but I'm just gonna spray a little bit more. I know that the deal with air fryers is that, you're trying not to use as much oil as you would for like deep frying, but I do think a little spray of oil on the base and then on the chicken itself does really help with the texture and the color. So with the chicken itself, I'm gonna just pop that into my little mix here. Now, pat off the excess flour and then just pop that into your air fryer basket. Depending on how big your air fryer basket is will depend on how many pieces of chicken you can fit in here, but the key is don't overcrowd it because then you'll get soggy chicken. Again, just a little spray here. And then into your air fryer. I like to do like around about 15 to 20 minutes in total, but come back after 10 minutes to flip them over so you get a nice even color. Okay, let's have a look in here. Whoa, look at that color. I did flip them over halfway through and I mean, they're all beautifully, deliciously, deeply golden. How many ways can I describe golden chicken? They're very golden. I love that color, it's very nice. Okay, so now we're gonna do the saucy part. So I'm gonna get all of my chicken pieces to my wok. I mean, you can just like hear the crunch, right? Okay, so I'm gonna turn the heat on. And again, I'm gonna go in with my Vietnamese lemongrass and garlic sauce and then toss this around. And it's like that crispy, kind of crunchy coating, just loves sauce. Sucks it up, all that flavor just sticks to the outside of the chicken wings. Some greenery here, some coriander, maybe a chili too. It smells really good. And now let's serve it up. So there you go, friends. Really cool way to do air fried chicken with that little extra step that gives you the extra crunch and the extra browning golden deliciousness. If you guys enjoyed this video, why not subscribe to my channel and then you can like eat more wings and find out more delicious techniques for things. But in the meantime, how about I get in here and try one of these? Yum. I need one with a chili on it because I love the chili. So good, so spicy. That chili is actually really spicy. I love how much of that lemongrass flavor I can really taste in this chicken though. Yum. That really was messy, wasn't it?
Well navigated.
Hey, thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it. I sure do love cooking and creating content for my channel. And if you enjoyed it, then why not hit the subscribe button and maybe that little bell as well, because if you hit the bell, then you'll get a notification every time I'm cooking something delicious.